Hey freeze dryers, it's Brian with Retired at 40. This is not clickbait. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free freeze dryer. We've had such a monumental year and built such a strong freeze drying community that we feel like it's time to give back. 2021 is coming to a close and some things have been, well, not so good, but other things have been really good. We were able to build a freeze drying community on social media from Facebook and from MeWe that is now over 30,000 members of like-minded individuals. I crossed the 4-year mark on YouTube. I did my 200th video. I hit 100,000 subscribers. Freeze Drying Supplies had a 1-year anniversary. It's hard to believe it's been 1 year already. But the most notable thing and the best accomplishment of all is that we have built a community of freeze dryers, like-minded people that 3-4 years ago pretty much didn't exist. So as a thank you, I've been promising some big giveaways, and we had our Thanksgiving giveaway, which was a Premier pump, but now we've decided to do the 12 days of Christmas. So first of all, I want to say thank you to those of you that have supported the YouTube channel, watched the YouTube channel, subscribed to the YouTube channel, all of the people who joined the Facebook and the MeWe group, and people that have asked questions, answered questions, and blessed us with their knowledge and their time in order to better this community. I also want to give out a big thanks for those of you who purchased their freeze dryer using our affiliate link. That supports us in many ways. It helps us do our giveaways in the social media groups, and it helps us to develop products that are coming soon. And I don't want to forget everyone who purchased from freezedryingsupplies.com, because you took your hard-earned money and trusted me to give you a product that will better your freeze drying experience. So enough of the mushy stuff. Let's get to how you can win those 12 different prizes with the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Days 1 through 11 will be a variety of freeze drying gear given away from yours truly and our store, freezedryingsupplies.com. And each day leading up to our final giveaway day will get a little bit more exciting every day. And then Christmas Day, live on YouTube, we're going to announce the winner of, wait for it, you guessed it, a medium freeze dryer with a Premier upgraded pump. Here's what you need to do to enter. Go to freezedryingsupplies.com and then click on the person icon in the upper right hand corner and create an account. And then you just need to choose your username and enter your email, and that's it. We don't spam you, we don't sell your information, but you will be the first to know when new products come out or if we have a discount code or a promotional offer going on. And that's it. You're entered with those 2 easy things. If you already have an account with us, then you're already registered and you don't even need to enter the giveaway. And if you're not sure if you already have an account, you can actually just try and register again. It won't let you register twice, and that way you can make sure that your name is in the hat, and literally in the hat. We're going old school. That's how we're going to draw the names. We're going to print out every single name on a piece of paper and draw it out of a hat. We're going to get real creative on how we pick the names. We're going to announce the winners live on YouTube Live every single day, starting 12 days before Christmas all the way up to Christmas Day, so please join us for that. If you missed any of these details, I'll also be updating Facebook and MeWe with the same giveaway details so you can see it there. So again, I genuinely want to say thank you and your continued support and allowing us to become part of your daily lives, and good luck on the giveaway. We'll see you soon.